Hello there, sexy. Hit the hot chocolate go thumbnail. There's a cop behind me. Yo, I think he's trailing me. Like, all jokes aside, I don't know if you guys can see him. Damn, am I cooked? This thing is looking kind of nice, only if you stand far away. If you get too close, you might have some questions. The temperature in the East Coast has been completely atrocious. So because of that, you know, I kind of had I can't take this car out. And if you guys are wondering, right now I am on summer tires. And the last time I took this car out in the wintertime on summer tires, full transparency, guys, I almost crashed this shit. Anyways, guys, I'm not here to talk your ears off. I'm here to drive your ears off. Wait, hold on. That kind of sounds wrong. I'm not here to talk too much, guys. Today is going to be another POV video. You guys already know we will be going over to Mexico, because it's almost January. And guess what, guys? I'm sweating in a hoodie. It's like 50-something degrees outside. And that's why this car is out. The fact that it's not that cold anymore means we could take this shit outside and do a few pools, a few spins. You know, maybe have a few wins, I don't know. Yeah, but you guys get the point. I've kind of gotten into hot chocolate over time, so we might see if we could maybe stop for hot chocolate. Guys, I know what you guys are thinking. Whoa, turtle, are you in a parking lot? Bro, we should do a burnout. Bro, we should drift. Guys, I'm trying to respect the space, right? This is behind the school, and this school is nice enough to keep your gates open for, you know, people to chill. I'm not trying to violate their property, so no. We will drive though, so let's go. All right, I gotta pop the trunk because I kept the GoPro and other shit in the trunk. Yep, kept my jacket right here. Kept my bag with all my stuff and gadgets. Yo, guys, look, it's been so long since I cleaned this. You guys know from the last video, right? You kind of can't see it, but the clean me sign is still there. The save me sign is still there. I haven't cleaned this car or washed. I think it's going on to like maybe 2 months since I washed this car. But honestly, that's not bad for a black car. If you guys have been following along on this channel, you know that this car is notorious for having tire problems. So I'm gonna just make sure all my tires are up to PSI, you know, up to like at least 35 and up, because it's wintertime. That means roads are probably shit. There's potholes everywhere, and I don't want another cracked wheel, nor do I want to go through another suspension. So we're just gonna fill up all of these, right, till 35 or more. The front left might have too much air, and I'll deal with that soon. But yeah, you guys get the point. I know. Technically, since it's colder, I should have less PSI, aka air in my tires. But at this point, I don't care. I want these shits fat, so if I accidentally run over a pothole, the tire could just eat it instead of the impact going straight to the wheel or suspension. You got the point. I'm just trying to save out here. Put this shit up to 30. Damn, 60. Wait, I'm gonna be honest, guys. It feels good to be on the road in this car. I could understand why someone would like want an X-Drive car. I'm gonna be honest, like, because at times like this, right, I wish I had X-Drive. Like, I wish I had all-wheel drive. Like, I wish RCFs came in all-wheel drive, because the only thing I could do at times like this in the middle of December or January is just stare at the car. I just know that if I take it out in the cold with snow and ice on the road, I'm getting smoked. I got a hoodie on and I'm hot. Damn, it feels like spring in the winter time. I don't know what's going on, but oh shit, I'm supposed to be trying to figure out where I'm gonna get my hot chocolate from. Damn, this is a headache. Where am I getting my hot choco from? As we approach the highway, I'm gonna tell you guys a crazy ass story about how I got stranded on the highway the other day. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you guys might have seen a story I posted, and it was basically like me saying, help me, I need a tow. What happened was, guys, I took my other car, the Honda Pilot, right? I took that car out with me and my wife and the fam, right? And as we were out in Queens, right, we caught a flat tire. You know, I mean, like, that's a normal thing, right? It happens, right? Now, we were able to like kind of fix the flat tire. Actually, we did fix the flat, right? Oh, like I put the spare on. After we put the spare on, I was trying to add some air to the spare, right? I'm not a rapper though. And after I made an attempt, I'm gonna be honest, right? Air was not going in that spare at all. But fuck it, right? So I put the spare on and it looked all right. I start to drive the damn car. In the middle of the freaking highway, on our way home, the spare catches a fucking flat. Yeah, at that point I was like stuck. Like, and I'm gonna be honest, I've never had AAA in my life, but at that point I was like, yeah, I'm gonna just sign up. So I signed up, but anyways, it ain't work anyways. But anyways, guys, long story short, or short story long, we ended up having to call 911 to tow us off the highway because we were like on the shoulder. And yo, cars were zooming. And the crazy part is, right, at least 10 cops passed us, zooming. And they ain't even stopped. So I got towed off the highway with the help of the cops, which was pretty cool. I'm gonna be honest, like I was on the back of a tow truck, I was chilling, and yeah. As in like I was in the car on the back of the tow truck. I don't know if that's allowed, but shit, it happened anyways. Anyways, guys, it's time to get this party started. gonna be honest, it feels great to be back on the road at least. I'm chilling. I wouldn't say it's fully dry though, so I gotta be cautious. I wonder if they serve hot chocolate at Wendy's. Wait, hold on. What is that? Salted caramel frosty. I mean, that's close enough, right, guys? What you guys think about a salted caramel frosty? I mean, that's close to a hot chocolate, right? I know that gas station probably sells hot chocolate, but yo, every and anything in that gas. Come on, focus. Focus. Anything in that gas station is expensive as shit, like super expensive. We are at a Wendy's though. I mean, I gotta get something, right? Oh man, damn! I think I'm on the wrong part of town. I think I'm on the wrong side of town again, guys. This place is looking kind of interesting. Coming from a person who lives in New York, this is really interesting. Like, this is a new part of New York for me. As I'm gonna just go ahead and state that I think that there's a cop behind me. Yo, I think he's trailing me. Like, all jokes aside, I don't know if you guys can see him. Damn, am I cooked? Like, well, I think that's a cop. I think. Yeah. Damn, is he trailing me? Oh, can't stop here. Nah, that's not a cop. I thought it was a cop. It's not a cop. It's not the boys, I think. Or it could be. All right, guys, update. Yo, we were able to find a place that actually sold some hot chocolate. And the place is, guys, guess what it is? It is the one and only thing that America runs on. You guys feel me? Yeah, that one. Oh, shit, that's a bad sign. But anyways, guys, as I was saying, I was trying to find a small business owned hot chocolate place, and I wasn't really able to find it. So we got to go and feed these corporations, feel me? So here we go. But before that, you guys just saw the sign that popped up. I got to add some oil to this car. Oh man, this kind of trip kind of took a left turn, if you ask me. Apparently I got to add oil. Yo, does anyone else like own an RCF and like have the oil thing turn on? Because I know it's not only this. Well, I know I'm not the only person. If you guys go on the Facebook forums and stuff, like, you will see a whole list of people who comment about the same thing, having to add oil to their V8s, specifically the V8. Some people's do not, but mine's do sometimes. It's so weird. Like, sometimes I could go like a whole half a year without adding oil, but then if I drive the car like really, really, really hard, and if I smack, and I just say, if I'm smacking through the rev limiter, okay, extra V8. But anyways, guys, if I'm smacking through the rev limiter, then like this car will eat mad oil. I don't know why, but yeah. Anyways, I gotta figure out a way to twist this shit up. Oh shit, I did it with my bare hands. Shit, now I'm strong, sorta. All right, let's try to pour this shit in without leaving too much. I mean, too much, a mess. Can I do this in a neat way? Can we do it in a neat way? Zoom in a bit, you know, just zoom in. Is it neat? Oh, Bailey and he spills. Hey. And we're done. Yo, now you guys can see it super clear. Well, you can't see it now, but you see it here. It says, clean me, save me. All right, guys, I want my hot chocolate latte. Yo, you're mine, Duncan. Hands free. And the awkward part is I'm not even a coffee or hot chocolate person. But I am today. I don't know what the fuck yet. All right, guys, we got the package. It's time to go. Hot chocolate. Brr. I had to get this because it was kind of warm outside. You guys get it? It's not cold. Yo, it's actually, yo, guys, hold on. You guys know how that first sip goes? Yo, that was a stupid idea. Yo, I just took a whole chug. This shit is boiling hot. Anyways, hello there, sexy. Hit the hot chocolate go. Thumbnail? Hold on. I need like a better thumbnail. Thumbnail? It'll zoom in. There we go. Thumbnail? This video is not sponsored by, Duncan. But this is a fire thumbnail though. Thumbnail? If you guys are curious of like how much of an idiot I am, I left the car just like this. I had this window open, had my other phone inside, I got my GoPro inside, I had my whole jacket and bro, this was free money. Oh man, I guess my trust in society is back. All right, fuck it. Yo, and my door was open. Oh yeah. Yo guys, free cash, free car on top of that. But it's a good thing that I'm on the wrong side of town, if you know what I mean. I'm on the completely opposite side of town. So, I guess people were a bit more kinda around here. Anyways, guys, it's time for us to actually head back home. This was supposed to be, it's kind of funny because this was supposed to be just, just a driving video. It turned into like a lot of shit happened video, I had to add oil. Well, anyways, enough of that. I'm not even gonna talk. We're just going back home, guys. I'm happy I got my cocoa. It's 55. Yo, it's 55 degrees outside now. In December. End of December, actually. I'm not complaining though, because it means more content for you guys and for me. All right, time to go.